Hey everyone, welcome back to Ontario Gardening. Today we are making a really cool summer treat. We are going to be making watermelon jerky in our dehydrator. Now you can do this in the oven. It's just going to be easier to put this on the dehydrator and walk away. But the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to take a watermelon. Doing seedless watermelon is the easiest because then you won't have to pick out any seeds. And you're going to cut your watermelon into strips or chunks about a 1/4 inch thick, a little bit thicker if you'd like, similar to like a beef jerky. So that's the first step you're going to do, is get that all prepared. And then you're simply going to put them out onto your dehydrator trays the way that you would anything else, and we're going to turn it on. So go ahead and do that. So I've put them on our tray. Now some people have the drip trays that you can put underneath here. I'm not going to bother worrying about it. I can just clean the machine when I'm done. But you're going to go ahead and give them a good enough space to be apart, and we're going to layer them up and then get them started. Okay, so we've got the watermelon all set up in our dehydrator all the way down. We are going to turn it to 135 and we are going to turn it on. And we're going to leave this here, so in about 12 hours we'll come check on it. But this is going to take between 12 and 30 hours. It really just depends on your dehydrator. So yeah, we're going to, and how thick you've also cut your slices, because the thicker it is, the longer it's going to take to dehydrate, because there is so much water content inside of watermelon. But yeah, so we're going to check on these and then we'll get back to you and I'll show you what this watermelon jerky is going to look like. Okay, so it's been about 26 hours and I pulled off the watermelon jerky, or the watermelon candy. So I put it in a mason jar for storage. This is what it looks like when it's done. As you can see, it's got a little bit of a shine on it. And yeah, so like each piece, it's a little bit crunchy once you've stored it for a couple days, but it's also chewy once you bite into it. So as you can see, it kind of like bends similar to like a gummy candy would. This one has some seeds on it, so I obviously missed the seeds on that. And then some pieces are a little bit crunchier than others, but generically, yeah, it's really good stuff. It's almost like a taffy. It's really nice. It's a really, really nice treat. Nice and sticky, easy to do. Definitely different. So yeah, follow us along for more awesome gardening and homesteading tips. We're gonna do some cucumber chips next in the dehydrator and continue to can up stuff and harvest from our garden. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.